lucky I gave you a second chance. I broke 7 bones. But now nothing's gonna hurt me because I got this Insta jar. It won't let anything hurt you. Ah! Hey, we didn't fall out. Whee! Thanks to my Insta jar. Insta jar. Insta jar. Ah! Where do you want to go? Haha, my Insta jar has prevailed. Oh my god, my Insta jar. My Insta jar is really prevailing, but I'm upside down. Oh, my Insta jar has failed me. Failed me, I tell you. Failed me. It's failed me. Failed me. I'll get right back up there. Thank you. Ow!